Malemgi Laibak Sinma Thungna Pangthokliba International Day of Education gi sarukam oina Education for a Better Tomorrow haiba hiram asida state level symposium ngasidagi haukrei. Numit humni chupna chathagadaba symposium asi Birtikendrajit University Kanchipur amadi Composite Regional Center Imphal na punna senduna pangthokpani. Kanchipur da laiba Tikendrajit University ki holda Symposium hogdokpagi thauram aduda Dhanamanjuri University ki Vice Chancellor Oiramba N. Raj Mohan Birtikendrajit University Kanchipur ki Vice Chancellor Oiriba Professor A.K. Chaudhary Manipur Lainga ki Directorate of Environment, Forest and Climate Change ki Chairman Professor E. Jadu na chingba singshu sarugyaki. Symposium asida tongan ba awang bathaki mahisang singdagi mahiroi kaya sarugyari.
This year, we are observing this day by hosting second state-level symposium on education for a better tomorrow. The theme of the symposium embraces education as a powerful influence on action and reaffirms the peace and development on which our future depends in the state of Manipur. We also inspire reflection on the power of education to equip individuals and communities to influence technological advancement in the modern world. And I call on our learners to take the education seriously and take ownership of their learning, because each and every one of us has a role to play, as education is our shared responsibility.